Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix back camera not working on iPhone XS Max XR 12 Pro in iOS 14. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Tip number 1. Record video, select 720 SD at 30 fps. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down. Tap on camera. On the camera page, tap on record video. Select 720p SD at 30 fps. Tip number 2. Reboot your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down. Tap on journal. On the journal page, scroll down. Tap on shutdown. Now slider to power off, slider to turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on your iPhone. Tip number 3. Record video slow-mo. Select 1080 SD and 120 fps. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down. Tap on camera. On the camera page, tap on record slow-mo. Select 1080p SD at 120 fps. Tip number 4. Force restart your iPhone. iPhone X, XS Max, XR 12 Pro. Press and hold the side button. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Thanks for watching this video.